alkaline phosphatase. Alkaline phosphatase is enzyme, which helps to break down proteins in the body and exists in different forms, depending on where it originates. Mainly alkaline phosphatase synthesis in liver, also its synthesis in bone, placenta, intestinal epithelium. Normal serum level of alkaline phosphatase is 40 to 125 unit per liter. Alkaline phosphatase enzymes that have maximal activity at a high phase, between 9.10.5. Using ALK test can identify liver, bone, or gallbladder diseases. Alkaline phosphatase level increase in bone diseases like rickets, bone tumors, osteomyelitis and bone osteomalacia conditions. Also alkaline phosphatase level increase in liver diseases like cirrhosis, hepatocellular cancers and cholestasis conditions. But also alkaline phosphatase level can increase physiological reasons. In pregnancy period due to the placental isoenzyme can increase alkaline phosphatase level. Also in childhood due to bones are growing produce bone isoenzyme, so also enzyme level can be increased. Alkaline phosphatase level can be decreased when positive malute ratios, intestinal diseases like celiac disease and scurvy.
For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Also you can be my patron and help me for more creations.